Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, y'all. So it's a new day, another day, y'all. And I know I told you guys yesterday that we would do gingerbread houses and all the things, but did not make it to doing that yesterday. So hopefully today we can get that done. Right now we are actually cleaning up, straightening up everything. So right now we just got finished cleaning the couches, you guys, and I'm so happy because it looks so good, y'all. It's nothing better than a hand clean couch. Comment below if your mom and your parents or whatever made you clean your couches with your hand, y'all. It's the best. I love it. There's nothing wrong with getting it cleaned with a company, but y'all, last time I did it left a puddle of water on my floor. So, and that was Stanley steamer. Yeah. So anyway, y'all, like I said, we just got finished cleaning the carpet. Cleaning the couches, and then now I'm going to fold some clothes and put the pillows and stuff back on my couch. So yeah, that's all I wanted to tell you guys. I hope you guys are having a great day. Comment below. Let me know how you guys are doing. Everything is everywhere. Switching the room around, y'all. This is a process.
Ooh, Caro.
And he all up in the way. This vlog because your girl has been so productive today, you guys. Like, I wish I would have showed you guys all that I've done, but that just wouldn't have been real. Okay, just pulling out the camera every time I felt like I had to do something. No. So y'all, what I did today was clean the kitchen, mop the living room, mop the kitchen, y'all. Make sure my living room was clean. Phoenix had therapy today, so we did his therapy. Y'all, your girl was on the move. Okay, so right now I'm pumping. Sitting in my room, y'all. Feels so good just to be in my room in my own element. Y'all, the kids are in the living room watching TV, so they are not in mama's space, thank goodness, y'all, because you already know how the babies are, mama this and mama that. But I do have Legend. He's right here beside. So yes, he's right here in my bed, you guys. And right now I'm just basically in my room, just getting caught up on like vlogs and stuff, just watching videos. But I think I'm gonna put me a movie on Netflix so I can watch a movie, y'all, because I like to watch movies when my husband is at work, so that way I can re-up on whatever I want to re-up on, and then when he's home he can watch whatever he wants to watch. But that's what I like to do, because I like to watch my movies, watch my TV shows, and whatever hubby wants to watch when he's home, I let him, you know, go ahead and do that, which is perfectly fine with me, y'all. So yeah. So anyway, like I was saying, I'm just relaxing. I'm going to go make the kids some peanut butter and jelly sandwiches for lunch. It's like a late lunch because we had a late breakfast, you guys. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. All right, y'all. So I already got started making my kids a peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, but this is what I'm using. So I'm making some more, making the boys some. But like I said, most of them are already in there eating, y'all. So yeah. Whatever it takes is so good. Comment below if you guys watched it already. It's on BET Plus, you guys, and it's so good. Oh my goodness, like her best friend. So I'm not even gonna ruin it for you. So just comment below, let me know if you guys saw. It's so good, y'all. So that's what I'm watching. I'm gonna get into my show, you guys. I done made my kids peanut butter and jelly sandwiches for their lunch. And I made a little extra because I know when my kids come out of school, which they will be home probably in the next 20 minutes. I know that they like to eat too. So peanut butter and jelly sandwiches they will be having. And some juice and some chips and an orange. So that's what their lunch is if you wanted to know. I'll talk to you guys a little later. Because I'm finna, like I said, get into just whatever it takes, baby, because it's so good, okay?
Prince Charming under my tree. I'm into me things. Doing me. That's my ex-husband turned fiance. And I'm elated to have my baby home for the holidays. Junior, cut it off. Cut it off, man. They are working my...
So I'm in the kitchen whipping it up, you guys, cooking dinner for tonight. Freshly out the bathtub, baby. She feels so good and relaxed. Can't nobody tell me there's nothing better on this earth than a hot bath, okay? But anyway, y'all, I'm about to deep fry these egg rolls. The kids' chicken is done. Got to do barbecue and hot wings. So hopefully that's really good for them. And then we just have baked chicken. Alright, so that's it. That's all. I just want to show you guys what we are eating for dinner tonight. I need to pump again. Yeah, for the third time today. So I have to pump again. Laundry just stopped. And your girl is on the road. On the road, shawty. On the road. No, you guys. So anyway, I'm going to do that. Get dinner done. And then I'll talk to you guys a little later. Y'all, it's the end of the night. I'm in the bed. Got some Theraflu in my cup. I'm a little congested. But yeah, we're just sitting here watching TV with bed. Her husband, London, over there talking to her daddy. Cause y'all know she is a daddy's girl. She's stuck at the hip, and the other girls is in here too. So don't even be alarmed. And I got Legend right here. He's eating. But yeah, I just wanted to come in the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it for today. Yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you are new to my channel. And comment below and let's chat it up about something. I love y'all and see y'all in my next video. Peace.